according to this particular brain research, 55% of what we would take in is nonverbal. What we take in is nonverbal. So the way you walk around the classroom, the way you do things, those kids are watching you. Do you ever notice when a kid is doing something really bad, all the kids are quiet and start watching? All of a sudden they're watching that child, and that child's getting all the attention. But really what you got to think about is they might not necessarily be watching that child, they're watching you. They're watching to see how you're going to handle it. Because see, that's where they get their information. See, the first thing they pick up on 55% of your nonverbals. Are you doing this? Again? Are you starting to do this? They're picking up on that stuff. And then the brain research suggests that tempo, volume, and tone is the 38%. Now they're picking up on, sit down! Or they're picking up on that type of, are you beginning to talk fast? Are you beginning to talk loud? Are you beginning to get aggravated? And then only 7% is actually the verbal piece that they are picking up on. So I think it's really important for us when we think about management as to how are we handling the nonverbal piece and the tone versus what's coming out of our mouth. So that's why with the escalated kid, the most important thing I can do is to keep myself in a relaxed manner and keep my tone here when I respond to them versus getting myself all riled up. That's the hard part for us, but it's the really important part for them. Because also when you talk about mirroring, your brain actually mirrors other people's neurocircuits. And so if you want people to act differently, then you actually have to act the way you would like them to act back. So it's important that if you can do this, hopefully they'll pick up on that. But if you're like this, they're definitely going to be like this. So really, really think about that nonverbal and all that stuff that we do in response to some of this stuff. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.